Alright, hello guys, my name is Sam and today I'm going to be talking about enums, and they're short for enumerations, and they're basically value data types. And basically you can store integer, string, float, double, and other value data types into internal constants. Now you can assign int or string to eternal constants using enumerations. Some of the benefits could be it's easy to read and maintain since you already have your own data type which you can customize as you like, and well, it can also be used in other programs, but right now we're focusing on the basic stuff and the basic stuff only. Now, going forward, as we can see, this is a basic enumeration. I'm going to explain code by code and line by line, so you won't have to worry about a thing. All right, it's all covered by me. Now this is just to declare what an enumeration is. Enum sam. No, you don't type enumeration, you just type enum because it's short and sweet. Now this is the name. I just call it sam. You can call it anything you want, but if I change it, I'm gonna have to change it literally everywhere in the program, so let's just keep it over here. Now what I'm doing is I'm assigning data members over here. Now what they are basically strings or integers, whatever you like. Inside the enumeration, you're adding value data types inside the enumeration called SAM. And you can see them in the drop down right over here. These are all the data members. Now, this should be under the namespace, not under the class. It won't verify it, alright? It should just be on top of the namespace. Now, going to the class program, this is just a normal class program. I can literally call it whatever, just class build, anything. Alright, that's this class. I'm sure you've heard of it. I will be creating a new tutorial for classes and everything, just beginners. So if you want to check that video out, I'm gonna create one soon enough. But anyways, let's just head right into over here. This is just a main method, static. It should be a static main method, alright, and just a simple and basic line. You're just printing or just displaying the enum is, and now this syntax is important, alright? With this, you can't do anything, alright? What I'm basically saying is that all these three data members have values predefined in them, but they don't start with 1. They usually start with 0. This is 0, as you can see right over here, and then that is 1, and that is 2. Noise is 2. Alright, now I can also change it how I like. I could call this 1, but now all these suddenly change. Alright, I could either call all of them separately, or I could just change them by myself separately, or the computer automatically does that. That's one of the sweet things about this. Anyways, moving on. Let's see. As you can see over here, what I'm trying to do is, this is the syntax, so you're gonna have to learn this by heart, sadly. What I'm gonna do here is, I'm gonna print the value of the variable assigned over here. Now, as you can see, this is the syntax. The enum is plus, and then the string left, object right. It should be an integer. Sam, which is the enumeration name, dot good. What is it? Now I just want the value for good, not for the others. All right. I could change it to anything. Let's say I want the value for bad. I could get the value for bad now, like it says right over there too. Alright, so this is just syntax by heart, alright? So technically the main concept of enumerations are basically just to create your own value data types and store variables in them with their own predefined variable values, but the computer can also change them. Alright, so let's just run this. What do you think might happen if you can pause the video right here because I'm gonna start in 10 seconds. Alright, let's start. Now, let's start without debugging. Enum is 2. Should I tell you why? If you guessed 2, then you're awesome. You know this stuff already. Alright, keep it up. The good is 1. We're not printing that. Sam dot bad. Bad is equal to 2. What does it say over here? 2. Because right now I'm just printing its value. Alright? I could literally just change it to whatever I want. I could change this to 5. Now it is gonna remain 2 because I haven't started again. Now, enum is 3. The enumeration value is 3. Now, just to make it clear for you guys, value of bad is, wait, I already have that. Value of bad is 3. Alright? I can't stress this enough. I'm sure you would have got it by now. Let's just do the same thing for all 3 of them because I'm teaching you the very basic stuff. They can also be used with switch operators and everything. Oh crap. They can also be used with switch operators and everything, but let's just go with the basic stuff because we need to know the basic stuff over here. Alright? This is a sweet 5 to 10 minute video and we don't want anything complicated yet. Switch statements can make this complicated, and if you don't know switch statements, I'll be creating another video since I'm starting my own series. And yeah, now here the value of bad is 3, value of good is 1 because I've already defined them here. Alright? They're basically like printing variables, but the sweet thing about this is you have your own value data type. Alright? Variables, they don't have that. You have to keep calling them in other projects. You have to keep creating a variable and then call it from another. You can, not from enumeration, alright? They are your own value data types, okay? That's the good thing, okay? They are easy to read, alright? Easy to read, you're printing bad, yes, I know. For good, okay, and nice. You're doing that and it is easy to maintain. If you want to change your value over here, change it. It doesn't matter. Alright? Let's just leave it to the default and let me show you what happens. Let's just see. 102. Let us change that to. And I just want to create in a good order. And remember, everything in red is just the string. Doesn't even affect the code, alright? Nada, nothing. As you can see, value of good is 0, bad, 1, 2. I can literally change it. If I want this to be 1, automatically, boom, changed. There you go, 1, 2, 3. That's more reasonable because we don't count from 0. I'm sure you wouldn't, hopefully. Alright, this is it. Make sure to make sure to subscribe me on my brother's channel. I can send a link and everything, and I literally hope you learned. Let's recap. Enum or enumerations are value data types, and they assign int or string to constants, and they're easy to read and maintain. Alright, this is it. I'm sure you've learned something, and if you haven't, I'm sorry. See you later and catch you later. Make sure to subscribe and like.